Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to see how we can create Apex trigger in Salesforce. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Shashikant and I have 2 years of experience as a Salesforce developer. And for learning Salesforce, we need to set up the Trailhead account as well. So I have already set up and logged in my Trailhead account for creating trigger. Just click on gear icon which is placed in the right hand side and click on the developer console and the open developer console in the next tab. So for creating for creating the new trigger, click on files, then click on new, then go to Apex trigger, give the appropriate name, account triggers, and we will select the S object. S object is means the Salesforce object and click on submit. Here is the trigger syntax, the trigger name and the object name. Here is some events. There are few type of events: before insert, before update, after insert, after update, before delete, after delete. So we will see these kind of events in the further videos. And for now, today we will work on the after insert. So let me show you something. Whenever any record, whenever any record created or updated in the Salesforce, then it started from the starting point and it goes from starting point to save point and through that from the starting point till save point is it runs through before event and till the after point from the after point till database it runs as a after event. So we can manipulate data within the before event, but we cannot manipulate data in the after event because Salesforce is not allowed the modifying or manipulating data in the after event for the maintaining the inconsistency of the record of that data. That's the reason. So we and here is the trigger we have created and we can write down the whole code in the trigger, but this is not the good practice. For now we will create a apex class. Just click on files, new, apex class, and write down the class name, accounts handler. Click on OK. Here is the Salesforce class. Just create the syntax. Just create the method for and so here is the scenario we are going to follow. We are going to follow today. While inserting the new account, we will push the shipping details in the billing section. So see how we can do that. So and let me show you something. Just click on account and create new. Here you can see the shipping street and shipping country. We will fill only the shipping street and shipping country, and we will see how it goes. How the same data copy goes to the billing street and billing country. So let me create a method for that. Method could be public, private, or global. As per we need to set these kind of public static, public, private, or global as per our requirement. So public, static, void, and update, update billing info, billing info. Then we will pass the parameter. We will push the list of account from the Salesforce trigger, then list account. We will write the variable name, where, account. And if we have list in Salesforce, then we will create for each loop. First of all, we will write the sObject name, then the variable one, then the list. So one more thing, as I have said earlier, we cannot modify that data if data present in after insert or after update events. Then we need to create first of all that object instance. Then we can update that data later on. So we will see how we can do that. So first of all, we will create a list for updating that account. List type will be account and the variable name account list new. So we will create the account instance here. Account new record is the variable name, and we have successfully created the say, account record instance. So how this new record will know what data I need to update. So the new record dot ID equals to where one. So I am passing the ID and we will push the mm, billing street. We will push the shipping street to the billing street, then the where one dot billing street, one more field dot shipping country is equal to where one dot billing country, and we will add that account in that list. So list name dot add, and we will add that account record, new record, and here we will check if this list is empty or not. If the list is not empty, after that we will update that list. Then list name dot is empty. This function checks whether the list is blank or not. So, and I'm using the not symbol here. It means if the list is not blank, only then we are going to proceed. So update count list. We can add the debug statement. System.debug account has been updated. Once the account has been updated, it will print that statement as well in the debug log. By the way, we are using the debug statement for the for the checking the record if the Apex trigger is working fine or not, if the test class, if the Apex class is running, and as we are going to use that class on after insert event. So here we will create a checkpoint if trigger dot is after and trigger dot is insert, and we will simply write down the class name dot method name, and we will pass the trigger dot new. It will pass the uh, list of record. It can pass up to 200 list of account, like the it can pass up to 200 record at a time in a single transaction. So save, we will save this. After saving that, we will go and create account. So test account 5, then we will fill the shipping street at sector 62. Country will be India. Then we will save that record and we will see the billing info and billing info. Okay. So, so I forgot to add the shipping country because, and one more thing, we will create another account. Oh, I missed something. So here we will write the shipping street and the shipping country because we are pulling data from the shipping address. So we will save that Apex class and create one more account, test account 6, then sector 62. It should be India, then save, then we will see the address has been updated, sector 62. Okay, let me check. Okay, that should be the billing country, then save, then create one more account, test 7, sector 63, India. Save. Here we will see the address has been updated from the shipping address to billing address. And here is my class. Here is my Apex class, which I am using the account trigger. And here is my Salesforce Apex trigger. And here is the here I am checking that class needs to run only the after insert. That's why I'm checking here. So and further on, I will create more videos on trigger as well, like how we can stop the recursive trigger and how we can update, how we can create the opportunity product based on the opportunity creation or updation. So for further more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. So you will get more details about the trigger as if you are the Salesforce beginner. So thank you. That's all for today.